So I woke up this morning to an update from Sony for the XM4. This version is 2.5.0 and what caught my eye was the improved call quality. So I did want to check out and see if a software update could really improve the audio quality compared to the previous version. Now the thing is, I had already recorded audio on the previous version for my review, which I'll link down below and leave a card up here. So I'm going to update these. I'm going to go on and do the sound demo. I'll give these a listen and then I'll see you back here. Hi guys, I'm calling from the XM4. I'm standing near what's usually a busy street. We're in the middle of lockdown, so it's not as active as it usually is. But this should give you a general idea of how the noises around me, since I'm recording from the camera audio. And I will be switching over to the XM4 microphone about now, just so you get an idea of how your recipient will be hearing you. Considering how well these do with their active noise cancelling, I'm sure the same program is going to be handling the environmental noise calls for your recipients, so they can hear your voice so much clearer. So I'm standing near the relatively crowded street that I usually test ENC with most headphones. And it's not too busy today because we're in the middle of a lockdown, but you might get one or two bikes or cars going past to give you that reference. So it will be interesting to see which one's better. And of course, you guys can be the best judge and let me know down below what you think of the call quality. So after coming back and checking out both samples, I did find there to be slight differences. It's not significant, but Sony has definitely worked on the audio for call quality. The previous version seemed to have a lot of clicks and pops, almost like you were listening to your callers off of an old record. The newer version is much clearer. There's no clicking and popping like in the previous version, and it does seem a bit smoother in delivery. So would I recommend this software update to you right now? If you are always on phone calls and you do want slightly better quality for your recipient, definitely yes. I have played around with these a bit after the update and I haven't really found any issues that the software has created. Rather, it has definitely catered towards sorting out that call quality problem. So like and subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for tuning into Paul's POV for some sound advice. Bunch of red ants here, maybe this is not a good place to record. I will find out.